Hello viewers, I am Lata Kapoor. Namaste to all. Today I am talking about Magadi Ranganatha Swami Temple, which is tourist place near Bangalore. You will now hear short description of Magadi Ranganatha Swami Temple. The Magadi Ranganatha Swami Temple, an ancient Dravidian state styles temple near Bangalore. It is dedicated to Lord Ranganatha or Vishnu and unique for its standing idol, believed to be installed by Mandavya Rishi with a special growing idol, Belayo Ranganatha, in that back. It's a serene pilgrimage site built by Cholas and developed by Kempe Gowda, offering darshan for those who can't visit Tirumala. Now I am singing Lord Venkateshwara Vajrakavcha Stotra. Chanting of this sloka, God provides ultimate protection. That is, Markandeya Uvacha Narayanam Parabrahma Sarvakaranakaranam Prapadye Venkateshakyam Tadeva Kavacham Mama Sahasrashirša Purusho Venkatesha Sirovatu Praneshah Prananilayah Pranan Rakshatu Hari Akasharasuta Natha Atmanam me Sadavatu Devadevottamo me Venkateshwaraha Sarvatra Sarvkaleshu Mangam Bhajanirishwaraha पालयेन्मां सदा कर्म साफल्यं नः प्रयच्छतु या एतद्वज्रकवचमभेद्यं वेङ्कटेशितुः सायं प्रातः पठेन्नित्यं नृत्यं तरति निर्भयः श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु हरे श्रीनिवास।